Hello, my name is Mohammed. I am the ophthalmic director at Specsavers in Ilford. The holy month of Ramadan is upon us, and as all practicing Muslims, like myself, it's a really important time of year. However, it's also important that we don't stop using our glaucoma eye drops. Now, most schools of thought don't consider eye drops as a form of food or drink, so it's not prohibited to use eye drops during a fasting period. However, if you still have concerns, you can administer the eye drops before this fast starts or once you open your fast. And there's also a technique called punctal occlusion, whereby you press in the inner canthus, which is where your eyelid meets the nose, and administer the drops. That way it will prevent the drop from going to the back of the throat. Ramadan is a testing and rewarding time for all Muslims throughout the country. If you'd like further information, you can visit our website specsavers.co.uk and you'll find an array of information on how to administer eye drops. Thank you.